Here's a 1,300-word overview of the 2026 Citroën 2CV, covering the introduction, exterior, performance, interior, price, and an overall assessment. 2026 Citroën 2CV, a modern icon reimagined. The Citroën 2CV holds a special place in automotive history. Originally introduced in 1948, the 2 chevaux was designed as an ultra-affordable utilitarian vehicle for rural France. Over its 4-decade production run, it became a symbol of simplicity, durability, and French charm. Fast forward to 2026. Citroën has revived the 2CV nameplate in a bold attempt to bridge retro appeal with modern-day mobility needs. But this isn't a simple remake. The 2026 Citroën 2CV is a reinterpretation, a futuristic homage to the past with electric propulsion, modern safety, and advanced technology. While it retains the spirit of the original, it's a completely new car built for a new generation. Exterior. The design of the 2026 Citroën 2CV is arguably its most captivating feature. Citroën's design team has managed to evoke nostalgia while pushing boundaries of modern styling. At first glance, the car's rounded fenders, tall roofline, and minimalist lines all echo the classic 2CV, yet everything is reimagined through a contemporary lens. The front fascia features smooth surfaces and integrated LED headlamps that subtly mimic the circular headlights of the original. Instead of a traditional grille, the front end carries a textured panel with Citroën's new illuminated logo. The bumper integrates aerodynamic air ducts, contributing to the car's efficient design. A soft, curving hood pays tribute to the original's utilitarian bonnet, while being sculpted for better airflow from the side. The 2026 2CV stands out with high wheel arches and exposed wheels, reminiscent of the original's off-road-ready posture. The two-tone paint scheme and fabric roof are direct nods to the past, but the proportions are slightly larger now to meet modern safety and comfort standards. The roof itself is retractable, maintaining the open-air essence of the classic model, while using new-age materials for weatherproofing and insulation. The rear end is compact and clean, with slim LED taillights, an embossed Citroën badge, and a vertical tailgate. Even the wheels carry retro flair, styled like the original's thin steel rims but crafted with lightweight alloys. With a mix of minimalism and personality, the 2026 2CV is one of the most distinctive-looking small cars on the market. Performance unlike the air-cooled flat twin engine of the original, the 2026 Citroën 2CV is fully electric. The base model comes equipped with a 45 kWh battery pack powering a front-mounted electric motor that delivers 120 horsepower and 180 pounds-ft of torque. While not performance-oriented, the electric drivetrain offers brisk, linear acceleration, especially in urban settings. The 0 to 60 miles per hour time is estimated at just under 9 seconds, a far cry from the original 2CV's 0 to 60 in over 30 seconds. Citroën also offers a dual-motor, all-wheel drive version producing 180 horsepower, aimed at buyers who want more confidence in adverse weather or mild off-road capability. Both variants feature regenerative braking, selectable drive modes, and smooth single-speed transmissions typical of modern EVs. The 2CV rides on Citroën's latest eSmooth platform, tuned for comfort over speed. As expected, the car excels in providing a soft, compliant ride. This is in line with Citroën's long-standing emphasis on comfort, dating back to the hydropneumatic days. Despite its compact size, the new 2CV handles with surprising confidence, offering well-weighted steering and a low center of gravity. Thanks to the battery placement, driving range is another highlight. The standard version offers approximately 240 miles of range on a full charge WLTP cycle, while the extended range variant pushes closer to 300 miles thanks to a larger 60 kWh battery option. Fast charging support allows for an 80% top-up in just under 30 minutes using a 100 kilowatts DC fast charger, making the 2CV a practical option for daily commuting and weekend getaways. Interior. Inside, the 2026 Citroën 2CV is a masterclass in minimalism and ergonomic design. It captures the simple, functional spirit of the original but updates it with sustainable materials and modern tech. The dashboard is clean and almost horizontal, constructed from recycled textiles, bamboo, and soft touch plastics. The center of the dash features a floating 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by Citroen's new SmartFlow interface, which supports over-the-air updates, voice control, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, the digital gauge cluster. It's compact yet highly customizable, and the steering wheel simple and incorporates capacitive touch buttons without overwhelming the driver. And available head-up display projects key driving info onto the windshield for added safety. The seats are a major talking point. Inspired by the hammock-style seats of the original 2CV, they use a mesh-like frame and high-density foam to provide excellent support while being unusually light. The fabric choices lean heavily into eco-friendly options, such as organic cotton and plant-based leather alternatives. Despite the vehicle's compact footprint, space is surprisingly generous. The high roofline and clever packaging make the cabin feel open and airy. Rear legroom is adequate for 2 adults, and the flat floor enhances comfort. Storage is practical, with under-seat compartments, a large center console, and rear seatbacks that fold flat to increase the trunk capacity from 10.5 cubic feet to nearly 30 cubic feet. The vehicle also features a panoramic retractable fabric roof, allowing for open-air driving, another nod to the original 2CV climate control, wireless charging, a premium sound system, and advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and automated parking round out the tech suite. Safety has also been enhanced with a 5-star Euro NCAP rating, multiple airbags, and a reinforced passenger cell. Citroen has positioned the 2026 2CV as an affordable entry-level EV with character. Pricing starts at around €24,000 in the European market for the base single-motor variant. The all-wheel drive model with the extended range battery starts at approximately €30,000. Optional packages for technology, interior upgrades, and driver aids can push the price closer to €34,000. But even fully loaded, the 2CV remains one of the more affordable electric cars in its class. The 2CV is expected to launch initially in France, Germany, and the UK, with a potential rollout into other European and Asian markets depending on demand. Citroën has not confirmed plans for North American availability, but strong interest could prompt limited import or licensing under Stellantis' broader brand umbrella. Government incentives for EVs in various countries could further reduce the effective price, making the new 2CV not just an emotional purchase, but a practical one as well. Overall, the 2026 Citroën 2CV is not just a car, it's a statement. In an age where many vehicles look